Hey guys, this is week 5, day 5. For number 1, it says an initial population of 850. Okay, so the initial starting point is 850. So we know that is A. We're going to put that right there. Okay. It triples each year. So it triples. That's our multiplier. What will the population of turtles be in 5 years? So that goes right there, 5. So what you want to do in your calculator, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put in 850 parentheses 3, and then we hit this key right here, okay, the arrow up key, and then we put in 5 and we hit enter. And then we get 206,550. Okay? Let's do number 2. So on number 2, we have a house is purchased for $150,000 in 2002. That's going to be our initial starting value, our A. So we're going to plug that in right here. The value of the house is going down at a rate of 7%, which is 0.07. How much is the house worth in 2020? So we have to subtract 2002 from 2020, which gives us 18 years. This 18 here is our exponent, okay? So we're going to put that there. We have to, when it's going down, we have to subtract this 0.07 from 1, okay? So 1 takeaway 0.07 gives us 0.93. So that's our multiplier. So this is different. When it's going up, we don't have to, when it's a whole number, we don't have to bother with this. But when it's going down, you do. You have to subtract from 1, okay? So again, we're going to put this in our calculator. Okay, so we have 150,000, okay, parentheses, 0.93, parentheses, hit your arrow up button, okay, and then put in 18 for 18 years, okay, hit enter, and we get 40,624 and 15 cents, okay. The number of birds in a forest is decreasing by 3% every year. So we've got another decrease. So we're going to have to do subtraction. 1 take away 0.03 is 0.97. That's going to be our multiplier. Okay? So originally there were 8,400 birds. That's our A, original. Okay? Starting place. How many birds will there be in 9 years? So we put our 9 for our exponent. Okay, so again, we're going to put in 8,400, parentheses, 0.97, parentheses, arrow up, okay? And then our 9, and hit enter. So we get 6,385, okay? And we can round that, since they're birds, to 6,386, okay? Let's do number 4. So a type of bacteria has an extremely high but exponential growth rate at 80% every hour. If there are 10 bacteria, determine how many there will be in 6 hours. Okay, so we have an 80%. That is our multiplier, but it is a percentage. So if you remember from the lessons before, we had to add a 1. So it's going to be 1.80 will be our multiplier, okay? Initial is 10 bacteria, okay? And they're asking how much in 6 hours. So we're going to put that right there. Okay, and then again, we'll put that in the calculator. So I'm going to put 10 parentheses, 1.8 parentheses, hit the arrow up button, and then hit the 6, hit enter, and I get 340, okay? All right, number 5, an adult takes 400 milligrams of ibuprofen. That's your initial. Each hour, the amount of ibuprofen in the person's system decreases by about 26%. So here we have to 1 take away 0.26 gives us 0.74. That's our multiplier. Okay? It asks you how much after 4 hours. You put your 4 in. That's the exponent. Okay, so let's clear that. Let's put that in. So I have 400 parentheses 0.74 parentheses arrow up, and then put my 4 and hit enter, and I get 119.94. Okay. Okay, last one. You bought a new computer for $2,200. The computer's value decreases by 50% annually. What will the value of the computer be after 4.5 years? Okay, so the initial value was $2,200. Your multiplier will stay at 0.5 because 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. And then it's asking you 4.5 years, so that's your exponent. Okay, so we'll put that in. So we have 2,200 parentheses 0.5 parentheses, and then hit that button up, and then 4.5 enter, and then we get 97, and then I rounded it to 0.23. Okay, so that's it for day 5, week 5. So I hope that was helpful. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.